on a separate sheet of paper. All right, so we're all on this dividing decimals by decimal sheet. Okay, and yes, there is a coloring sheet on the back. All right, as with every other coloring sheet I have given you, am I asking you to color the back?
No.
What do you use the back for?
To find out if you got the right answer.
To check and see if you got the right answer. Because if your answer's not back here, it's what?
Wrong.
It's wrong. Okay? If your answer is not back here, it is wrong. Okay? But I'm not grading this coloring part. That is kindergarten. Okay? I'm not grading that part. I'm only grading this part. All right? And can you just turn in this paper with your answers? No. What do you have to turn in?
Your work.
Your work. Okay? So, let's look at number 1. What's going to go inside my division box on this one?
22 and 9400.
Yes. And 7 and 4/10 is going to go on the outside. So, what's my next step, Josh?
Move the decimal.
Move the decimal. How many times?
1.
1. What's my next step, Dustin?
Redraw it. Sorry.
That's okay. I'll get Dustin next time. I've got to rewrite it, okay? All right, Ava, what do I do now?
Bring up your decimal.
Bring up my decimal. All right, Caitlin, how many times will 74 go into 2? How many groups of 74 are in 2? Have 2. Can I make 74? No. I have 22. Can I make 74 out of that? No. 229. How many groups of 74?
Try 2 or 3.
All right, let's try 2. Do I need to try 4? Okay.
Three.
I went over. So I've got to use which one?
3.
3. 9 minus 2 is
7.
7. Bring down my 4. How many times will 74 go into 74? 1. Now, this is what we use our picture for. Is there 3 and 1/10 on the back? Right here in his third little feather at the very tip. Okay, 3 and 1/10. Yep, you see it?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's look at number 2. What's going to go inside my box for number 2?
9 and 7700.
Now what do I do?
Move the decimal over.
Move my decimal over. How many times?
Once.
Once.
Then you rewrite it
Josh has got this down pat now.
somewhat.
The more we do it, the more we what?
Get better at it.
The easier it gets for us.
Then you
Okay.
gotta bring your decimal up.
Yay! I'm so proud. Now what do I do?
Just divide.
I just got to divide. How many times will 59 go into 1?
0.
17.
0.
177.
Try 2.
Okay, let's try 2. Think we should try 3?
This time.
Yes.
I can't see. Because
Right, move right there.
that's my problem. I'm standing on the other side. I can't see anything. 3.
So, we need to turn over to the back and see if we have 3/10. Let's see. Right here inside of the turkey's belly. Okay? There's 3/10 right there inside of his belly.
same. It's on the left side of his head too.
This right here? That's a 3. We're looking for 3/10.
Oh man.
Y'all, if you don't want to color it and you want to make sure that you don't use a number more than once, put a check by it, okay? So you know you've used it, all right? All right, I want you to work on number 3. I want you to work on number 3. Once you finish number 3, if you want to move on to number 4, you can. You can check number 3 and number 4 up there on the board. All right, listen. As you work on these, can you use a calculator to check your work?
No.
Can you use a calculator to check your work? Yeah. Y'all, I'm not at home with you. If you use a calculator, do I really know it? No, I don't know it. But guess what? You have to show me. You have to turn in your work. If you don't turn in your work, guess what? I'm not going to grade it, okay? You must turn in your work.